Welcome to the game show that nobody's ever watched and nobody's keeping score of, and I care about it, and maybe you do too. It's called Name That Atom. You need to wager $100 or $500. You're a betting person, so let's go with $100. This atom has 8 protons, 8 neutrons, 8 electrons. What is it, and what's the charge? Looking at this list right here, let's identify what atom it is, its atomic mass, and the charge by using this paltry bit of information right here. Looking at the periodic table, if this thing has 8 protons, it must be oxygen because the atomic number is 8, and that is the definition of every atom that Mother Nature has created is by the number of protons. So I'm just going to put a letter O there for that right there. Okay. Now, the charge of that atom. Now, the protons and electrons, they're the things that carry the charge. There are 8 protons and 8 electrons. So I'm going to look at my fingers right here. There's 8 positive things and 8 negative things. They'll cancel each other out, have a charge of 0. So that's a letter O. That's a number 0 right there. We said that there is protons. The protons plus the neutrons give you the mass. So 8 plus 8 is 16. I hope you see a little bit of color coordination there. Using this to get the blue, using this to get the orange. We've got that atom fairly labeled right here, or labeled pretty well right there. Now, let's see what you could have won if you had bet $500. 15 protons, 16 neutrons, 18 electrons. Let's start with our symbol, 15 protons. Atomic number 15, it must be phosphorus. Now the protons plus the neutrons, I'm going to try to use more color, better color coordinated here. These two things added together equals 31. So we have a phosphorus atom with an atomic mass of 31. Now the charge, we have 15 protons and 18 electrons. We have more electrons than protons. How many more? How many more electrons? That answer is 3. So we have a -3 charge atom. These kind of series of questions, what I ask myself, comparing the protons and electrons, which do I have more of? I have more electrons, so it's going to be a negative thing. And if I have 3 more electrons, it's going to be -3. I hope you win the grand prize. Have a great day.